Exercise 12.1. Okay. First question. A point is on the x-axis. What is its y coordinate and z coordinate? So a point is on the x-axis now. For example, you take a 2D plane. Okay. So if the point is on the x-axis, the point will be x comma 0. So if it is on the x-axis, the y-axis coordinate is 0. So basically, adhe mari 3D kenna panuvom? You only have the x coordinate. The y and the z will be a 0. Okay. So basically, you have a point on the x-axis, which means the other two coordinates are 0. Okay. Second question. A point is in the xz plane. Okay. So basically you have x, y and z. I'll write it like this. X, y and z. Okay. So the point is on the xz plane. So in the plane la irukku. So basically this and this. So what will be my y coordinate? Xz plane la irukku na. The y coordinate is obviously 0 because you have the x, you have the z coordinate, but you do not have the y because it is on the xz plane. இப்போ xy plane na இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு பாயிண்ட் இருக்குன்னா z axis ல கிடையாது. So the z will be 0. So x z plane na y coordinate is 0. Y z plane na x coordinate is 0. X y plane na z coordinate is 0. Okay? So always remember this. So I need to find out which octants the points are in. That is my third question. So first let me write the table. Okay. So I have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and the 8th octant. I have x, y and z. Exam la the first எழுதிக்கோங்க. So x எப்படி இருக்கும்? Plus, minus, minus, plus. Repeat. Plus, minus, minus, plus. Okay. இப்போ y க்கு plus, plus, minus, minus. Again repeat. Plus, plus, minus, minus. For z, you will have plus in the first 4 and minus in the last 4. Okay. So let me now solve the questions. I'll first write down whatever I have. Question number 3. The points are 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 2, 3, 4, minus 2, minus 5, 4, 2, minus 5, minus 4, 2, minus 5, minus 4, 2, 5, minus 3, minus 1, 6, minus 2, minus 4, minus 7. Okay. So these are my points. So first point la, I have the x coordinate is positive, y is positive and z is positive. So plus 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 na I'm in my first octant. Okay. Then I have plus, minus and plus. So plus minus plus enga irukku? Fourth octant. So I am in my fourth octant. Then plus, negative and negative. So plus minus minus enga irukku? Plus minus minus I am in my 8th octant. Okay, in the exam you cannot imagine the 3D structure and be solving this. So it is always better if you can remember the table in the way I taught you. Okay. So if in the இடத்துல plus, plus and a minus. So I have plus plus minus na 5th octant. Then for this, negative, positive, negative. So minus plus minus enga irukku? It is over here. So we are in the 6th octant. Then minus plus plus. We are in the 2nd octant. அடுத்தது minus minus plus எங்க இருக்கு? 3rd octant. Then we have minus minus minus, which means we are in the 7th octant. Okay. So please remember the table. You can solve such questions easily. Question number 4. These are some simple questions. The x-axis and the y-axis taken together determine the plane. X-axis யும் y-axis யும் எடுத்தா what plane does it determine? X and y, which means xy plane. Okay. If you have taken xz, it will be as xz plane. Okay. It is very easy. 5th question. The coordinates of point in the xy plane. xy plane la எப்படி இருக்கும்? I just told you. So xy plane, the coordinates will be, I'll have my x coordinates, y coordinates, but no z coordinates. Okay. அதே மாதிரி yz plane la எப்படி இருக்கும்? I'll have my y coordinate, z coordinate and no x coordinate. Okay. Always remember. For xz plane, I'll have my x, no y and z. Okay. This is not asked in the question, but தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. Okay. 6th question. Sorry, these are all subsections. So 4th question, subsection 1, 2, 3. 3rd subsection, coordinate plane divides the space into how many octants? We just saw. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 octants. Okay. So we are done with the first exercise.